Like a shovel to a pile of snow. A Denver travel day tends to come with the mile-high headache. That's usually the case, right?
No, not really.
I haven't had any problems with the trains. Today's actually been an extremely easy day, so it's quite nice.
The A line on a wintry Thursday morning was an A-. They got to DIA just 5 minutes behind schedule. A drive from Union Station to the airport took about 30 minutes. And when anyone gets here, all they really want to know is,
where's all the snow?
I know. Can you believe it? These people are wusses.
the snow was light this morning, but the travel stories weren't.
I'm a happy camper.
Frustration. A lot of frustration.
It looks like we're still on the schedule to board on time.
And I have no clue when I'm gonna get to my final destination.
The flight was wonderful.
So do you think I'm gonna be stuck out here more?
A question hard to answer when the tarmac looks clear,
There's nothing on the ground.
but the forecast doesn't.
Yeah, I'm trying to leave.
Now we are at the A terminal and things have been moving slowly, but moving. So that's always a good sign here. We're seeing a lot of people come in and out. Flights are arriving, people are leaving. We love to see it. It's good for the people who have been stuck here since midnight. There's a few people out here who were supposed to fly out at 12:15 this morning. Their flight has been delayed till 9:30 tonight, Kyle. So light your prayer candles for them if they get out of the EIA.